So you want to make sure when you pull in, you get your boat unloaded as fast as possible, and you make sure that you move it to the farthest side of the ramp. That way other people that come behind you, they can put their boat on the ramp and get out as fast as they can as well. So when you start unloading your gear from the truck, you want to make sure it's not spread out everywhere on the boat ramp. Make sure it's down on the far side in a nice compiled spot. That way you're out of the way of other people and you're being a boat ramp hero. So fast and efficient.
What can really help minimize your time on the ramp is to unload your gear into a pile off to the side of the ramp, and then get your vehicle off of the ramp as soon as possible, and then come back and load your boat. If there's a jet boat or a drift boat or a motor boat that all they have to do is back in and put their boat in and go, and they're very quick, to let them go ahead of you is courteous and can avoid conflicts, make a new friend. Be patient at the boat ramps, have good river courtesy and etiquette, be nice to each other, and don't cramp the ramp.